More news coming in connection with the same. CPIM is evasive on Mukesh's continuation as MLA. Mukesh need not resign as MLA. MLA and actor Mukesh has been booked, remember, for sexual assault. However, the CPIM says this is not going to be allowed and that maligning Bollywood is a practice now, is what is being said. Shibi getting in more details. Shibi, who exactly has made this comment? It's clear that the CPM is standing by MLA Mukesh, saying that he is a chosen leader, he is an elected leader, and that we can't be removing him from his position.
Well, this was clarified by the CPM State Secretary M.V. Govindan, who holds the most important position as far as the CPM is concerned in Kerala. It's the CPM State Secretary M.V. Govindan has clarified that Mukesh won't resign. They would not be asking for his resignation because if you look at the number of cases against the MLAs, there are so many MLAs and so many public representatives in the country who are facing, sexual assault allegations, and they're facing investigation, but none of them have resigned. So that's a different case. We will not spare or, we will not try to save him or anybody during the investigation. It will be a fair investigation that will take place, but resignation won't be asked because there's no provision to then reinstate him if he's proven innocent. So if he's proven guilty, then yes, after the investigation, we will ask him to resign. But right now, we would ask him to face the investigation and continue in his, position as the MLA of Kollam constituency. He also says that in Director Ranjit, who was the Kerala State Chalachitra Academy chairman, his resignation was asked by state government right after the allegation came up. So he said that in Ranjit's case, it was a different thing because he was holding the position in a government body. If Mukesh was a minister, then yes, they would have asked him to resign. But there are two examples of two Congress MLAs also in the state currently who are facing sexual assault allegations, and their party has not asked them to resign. So this has never really happened. So we'll also not do that, is what M.V. Govindan, the CPM State Secretary, has clarified. He also says that there shouldn't be an effort to tarnish the Bollywood industry because it's an industry where quality content is made, where the content has reached up to international levels, contested international film festivals, and brought a lot of glory to Indian cinema in general. So that industry shouldn't be tarnished. And also says this is not just about sexual assault allegations or the Me Too movement, because the Hema Committee report also highlights that there are many other issues that the women are facing in terms of equal pay, in terms of facilities. So the WCS had also said that such discussions are not coming up. The entire discussion is focused on the sexual assault allegation. So the Hema Committee report suggests around 24 recommendations. So all of that will be implemented, is what M.V. Govindan today clarified at a press meet today called.
All right, I'm going to thank you. Shibi Mol getting in those details as far as this controversy hitting the Kerala film industry, the Malayalam film industry is concerned here.